At BMW's Leipzig factory, building vehicles means handling thousands of parts every day, including large and heavy battery modules. It's detailed work, and some of those tasks can be physically demanding and repetitive for the people on the assembly line. Now, a new teammate is stepping in to help out. BMW has introduced a humanoid robot called AEON, developed by Hexagon Robotics, a company BMW has worked with for years on automation. The goal is simple: let the robot handle the exhausting, repetitive jobs so human workers can focus on more engaging parts of the process. AEON is still in its early stages, but the company has big plans for it. By April 2026, the prototype will go through a larger round of testing, with a full pilot phase expected to begin later in the summer. What makes AEON interesting is how flexible it's designed to be. Instead of doing just one job, it can switch roles depending on what's needed. Change the tool on its arm, like a gripper or a scanner, and it's ready for a completely different task. Unlike many factory robots that stay fixed in one spot, AEON moves around the factory floor on wheels, traveling from station to station as needed. One of the main areas where AEON could make a big difference is in handling electric vehicle battery modules. These components are heavy and require extra care, which often means workers need special safety gear just to move them. Doing that shift after shift can quickly become tiring and repetitive. AEON can take on that kind of work, lifting and transporting parts without fatigue, helping reduce physical strain on the people working alongside it. The same advantage applies to tasks involving external components, where performing the same motion over and over requires precision and consistency. This approach is quite different from the traditional industrial robots you usually see in factories. Those machines are typically bolted to the floor and designed for one specific function. AEON, on the other hand, is meant to be mobile and adaptable. It connects directly to BMW's unified data systems, allowing it to move around the facility, adjust to changing layouts, and constantly improve as it processes new information. To make that possible, BMW had to break down older data silos inside the company so information could flow smoothly to the robot. Safety remains a top priority throughout this process. The factory has upgraded wireless coverage and added additional safety measures to make sure humans and robots can work together securely. AEON is also connected to BMW's smart robotics network, which helps manage and coordinate all the automated systems already in place. Even with this new technology, BMW emphasizes that people remain at the center of the operation. The purpose of introducing AEON isn't to replace workers, but to remove the most monotonous and physically draining parts of their jobs. That way, employees can focus on tasks that require judgment, skill, and creativity. Early involvement from safety teams, IT specialists, and logistics staff help smooth the rollout, and their feedback has played an important role in shaping how the robot is being introduced. BMW has already learned valuable lessons from an earlier test at its Spartanburg facility in the United States. That trial showed how quickly AEON could adapt to real production conditions, and how reliable it could be when integrated into an active manufacturing environment. Back in Leipzig, the company has also launched a new center of competence for physical AI. Experts there are evaluating robotics partners, running pilot programs, and expanding the technologies that prove successful. For BMW's leadership, the focus now is on measurable improvements in speed, precision, and efficiency. If the tests continue to deliver positive results, robots like AEON could soon become a common sight on the factory floor, working alongside humans to build the next generation of vehicles.